Right, a quick video here to show you how to do a saddle stitch with 2 needles, 1 thread on the back, 1 on the front, 2 needles. But I can't clamp my work into a clamp. I have to hold it in my hand. It's very 3-dimensional. This is the back seat of a miniature saddle, horse saddle. Here goes. So the first thing I do, I stitch in this direction, and I consider the back here of where I put the first needle in as the back. So there we go. First needle goes in. And what I do with that is fold this thread over my finger like that, which holds it up in the hole to one side. So now when I put in the needle from this side, it will go in underneath that thread. There we go. And now I've got this needle in hand, so I immediately do the next stitch. There, coming in from the back. I now swap around. So this thread comes to the front, and I pull this thread over my finger there again, so that I can work with this front thread. Put it in there, pull it tight, immediately bring it to the front again, swap the threads around. This one gets held up towards the edge again, so that I can put this needle on this side of the hole, on the side of that thread in there. Immediately ready for the next one. Swap the threads around. Now I can put this one in. There we go. And I've got my saddle stitch working through here, doing a figure 8 through that, and hope that helps. Just another tip, a finger glove. It's like a rubbery glove here, really super helpful because it helps you grip the needle when you pull it through, and so it makes it very easy. Otherwise the needle is slippery, especially if the hole is getting to close up again, and so on. The other tip, maybe bar of soap in there, and the oil that I make the holes with rests in there, so that it stays well lubed when I do the holes. There you go. Hope that helps.